Tagalog expressions using ayaw. Ayaw ko siyang makita. I don't want to see her. Ayaw mo ba akong makita? Don't you like to see me? Ayaw kong kumain yan. I don't like to eat that. Ayaw ko ng kulay na yan. I don't like that color. Ayaw ko talagang umalis ka. I really don't want you to go. Alam mong ayaw ko sa kanya. You know that I don't like him. Ayaw ko nang pag-usapan yan. I don't like to talk about it anymore. Sigurado kang ayaw mong kumain? Are you sure you don't want to eat? Ayaw ko ng pagkaing maanghang. I don't like spicy food. Ayokong mahuli. I don't want to be late. Ayaw kong gawin yun sa kanya. I don't want to do that to her. Ayaw mo bang yumaman? Don't you like to be rich? Ayaw mo bang sumama sa amin? Don't you like to come with us? Bakit ayaw mo siyang kausapin? Why don't you like to talk with him? Bakit sa dinami-dami ng babae, siya pa ang napili mo? Out of so many women, why did you choose her? Bakit ayaw mong malaman ang totoo? Why don't you like to know the truth? Alam ko naman na ayaw mo sa akin. I'm aware that you don't like me. Ayaw ko nang mapahiya pa ulit. I don't want to be embarrassed again. Ayaw kong magdulot ng gulo. I don't want to cause any trouble. Ayaw ko sanang aminin, pero nabigo ako. I don't want to admit this, but I failed. Ayaw mo ba akong kausapin? Don't you like to talk to me? Ayaw mo bang maniwala sa akin? Don't you want to believe me? Hindi naman sa ayaw ko. Kaya lang, nahihiya talaga ako. It's not that I don't want to. I'm just shy. Ayaw kong matulad ka sa akin. I don't want you to be like me. Ayokong manatili sa bahay ngayon. I don't want to stay at home today. Ayaw kong maranasan mo ang mga pinagdaanan ko. I don't want you to experience what I went through. Ayaw kong mag-asawa. I don't want to get married. Ayaw niyang aminin ang nangyari. He doesn't want to admit what happened. Ayokong subukan. Baka mapasama na naman ako. I don't want to try. I might get into trouble again. Ayaw kong madamay sa problema ninyo. I don't want to get involved in your problem. Ayaw ko kasing pinapakialaman ako. I don't want anybody to invade my privacy. Ayaw kitang saktan. I don't want to hurt you. Ayaw kong magkamali. I don't want to make mistake. Huwag mong bilhin kung ayaw mo. Don't buy it if you don't want to. Ayokong mawala ka sa akin. I don't want to lose you. Bakit ayaw mong gastusin ang pera mo? Why don't you like to spend your money? Ayaw mo bang kumain kasama ng mga kaibigan mo? Don't you like to eat with your friends? Ayaw mo ba akong makilala? Don't you like to meet me? Ayaw niyang magtrabaho. He doesn't like to work. Ayaw ko sa isang mata pobre. I don't like people who look down on others. Ayaw umandar ng kotse. The car won't start. Ayaw na ayaw niyang makakita ng ipis. She really doesn't want to see a cockroach. Ayaw kong palampasin ang pagkakataon. I don't want to lose the chance. Ayaw kong masaktan ka. I don't want you to get hurt.